Coffee with the Mighty Miracleman time. So I was just thinking, I don't think Dante handled right has not some fiery place that tortures you all the time. That's not what a loving God would do. But he, he accepts that if you don't want to follow him, he'll let you be. You don't have to be in his presence. And those of us who follow Christ and God, one and the same, we get to spend eternity with him. If you don't want to, though he's a good God and he won't make you. And I think people get confused on how. That's all I wanted to say. Well, if you want to accept Jesus into your life, feel free to reach out either by commenting or emailing Brendan_Nichols at iCloud.com. Live longer, feel better, and life to your